All right, so we're going to move on and do example 1. It says calculating total payroll taxes. So for this example, you live in California and are self-employed. You report a taxable income of $105,000. Estimate your total income tax, including federal, state, Social Security, and Medicare. So if you have income and are collecting a paycheck, if you live in California or really many states, these 4 categories will collect taxes, and that's what we're going to figure out here. Now, we did federal and state a few sections ago, and so that is covered in your previous notes. So I'm just going to tell you, for this person, if you go and figure out the federal taxes using the graduated tax system, it will be $23,109.25. For state, again, with the graduated tax system that we covered in the previous sections, the state income tax is $7,737.27. So what I want to do for this example is I want to figure out the new things, which are the Social Security and the Medicare. So for Social Security, what we're going to do is read here. It says for employees, it's 6.2% up to this amount, $106,800. Employers pay this, and then the self-employed, which is what this person is, they pay 12.4% up to that amount. So because the income is lower than that amount, we are going to have to pay it on all of it. So for Social Security, we'll take $105,000 and we're going to multiply it by this percent as a decimal, 0.124. And that's how we'll get our Social Security amount, which if you do this times this, we'll get $13,020. Again, that's for the year. $105,000 is his yearly taxable income, and so for the year you'd end up having to pay $13,020, which is double what it would be if you were an employee and just worked for someone instead of being self-employed. The last one is Medicare. And for Medicare, it just says that self-employed people have to pay 2.9% with no salary cap. So we're going to take our salary, which is $105,000, and we're going to take it times 2.9% as a decimal, 0.0290. And if you multiply those things together, we get $3,045. So again, federal and state is the graduated tax system from previous sections. Social Security, it just says, you know, if you make more than this, you would just have to pay 12.4% times this, but we don't make more than that, so we took our income times that percent. For Medicare, we just had to take our income times that percent, and we got our 4 different taxed amounts. If we add all of those together, so this, and this added together, it is $46,911.52. That is our total taxes that we pay. And then the question said, what percent of your taxable income goes to these taxes? So we're going to take our total. I'm kind of running out of room here. Right over here. We'll take our total, which is $46,911.52, and we're going to divide by our taxable income, $105,000. So that is about 45%. So for a self-employed person in California, you are paying about 45% of your income to these 4 taxes.